morning, everyone.
Wednesday,
May 22nd.
May 22nd, we are on the way to sign some papers, and then afterwards we are going to do a final walkthrough of our new home.
Yay!
Alright, so we left the house and I didn't vlog. We had too many people.
We had a lot of people.
A lot of things going on. We're on our way back home now. We're starving. We still haven't eaten. I think tonight we'll cook dinner, so I'll kind of film that.
What's for dinner tonight?
We have our home chef stuff.
Oh, exciting.
So we have, I think, like a penne pasta option or a chicken like satay option.
Ooh,
Which
nice.
one would you want?
I don't know.
Well, you can look at it and then
Okay,
decide,
okay.
and we'll show you guys our
Perfect.
cooking at home and what we'll make and how we'll make it and all that good stuff. Hi guys, so it is now, what time is it? 6:41. We got home a while ago, but I had to just jump back on the computer and do a whole bunch of work. I'm gonna cook now. Jamie went to the gym. Gym time for me is shot. We've usually just always been eating out lately just because there's been so much going on that it's nice to kind of have just something already there for us so that we don't have to think. And after eating out so much, I just want to eat at home. So I'm gonna do Home Chef. This is my first time trying Home Chef. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it's kind of nice. It comes in these packages already. I do like these packages because it just is neater. You just throw it in your fridge and it's not all messy. So I chose creamy Parmesan steak penne, chicken satay rice bowl with bok choy and peanuts. Not sure which one I'm feeling though. We don't have much time to cook all this stuff. Most of the meals are like 30 minutes or less to make. So really saves you a bunch of time. Right now, going out to eat in LA on a Wednesday with no reservations, we're probably gonna wait like an hour to 2 hours. I just don't even wanna do, it's already late. I don't wanna deal with that, so that's why stuff like this just fits right in. Okay, so I think we're gonna do the creamy Parmesan steak penne, just cause it sounds good. I love penne pasta, but it's super easy and convenient because they give you all the like food, obviously. They deliver it right to your home and they give you like the recipe, right? Mine came in like this little binder and it says recipes, so it's gonna be like just super easy to have to look at. You also get to choose like your serving size if you want like 2 servings or 4 servings, depending on like how many people or how much you eat. You do get to choose your meals, and there was like a big whole selection on there that you get to choose from, and I feel like they change it all the time. So if you guys are wanting convenience like me, maybe you have kids, maybe you just don't have time, maybe you don't know what to like cook, which that's like me, you can try it out. I do have a discount code. It's just Naomi 80 because I never want you to pay full price for anything if you don't have to. So yeah, click the link, use my code, and you'll get $20 off your first 4 boxes, which is a total of $80 off, which I think is like the biggest discount Home Chef has ever offered. It is Thursday, the 23rd, I believe. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna make the bed. Just took a really quick body shower and then just get to work. I'm gonna try to film a video today. I have an event tonight that I don't know if I should go. Still debating. Jamie's mom comes into town. He's at the gym right now, so he'll be, I don't know if he's coming home first or picking her up from the airport. So kind of have a busy Memorial weekend. I forgot that it was Memorial weekend. it's so gray and cold and gloomy, and it's the middle of May, and in LA they call it May gray. So I'm just relaxing. I just stopped editing because I'll just continue tomorrow. I need a break. I need to go grocery shopping. Do we have milk? May 25. Still good. I think I'll eat some cereal then. Let's see if this is even still good. So we have Special K. We have Frosted Flakes. Let me just try it out. This is like ASMR. You guys ever watch that? Would you want me to do some ASMR videos? This cereal's gotta go. I'm very hungry. Don't worry, this won't last that long. I don't know how people can do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit here, eat my cereal, and watch some TV. I need some shade. Good morning. It is May 24th. It's noon. So right now I'm just finishing up some work. It's a Friday, you know? Just doing everything I can to get everything done today, because next week's gonna be crazy with the moving and all those kinds of fun stuff. So, oh, I just got my eyebrows done. As you can see, my brow lady used Kylie Jenner's new brow products. She used the pencil, so, and I think she also used the highlighter. So I actually like the color. I don't remember the color she used. I'm gonna have to text her because maybe I'll try it, and it's pretty like affordable, like I think $14 for the pencil. So anyway, just working away. Grocery store, got some lunch, got a Chipotle salad, and I just bought a few little things. Again, we're moving, so didn't buy too much. Bought some of these tortilla chips for chips and salsa. Guess what I got? My fruit and yogurt cereal that was stale. Replacing that. Some English muffins from Thomas. Oh, and I really like these. These are the flavored Blue Diamond almonds. This one is habanero barbecue, and then this one is wasabi soy sauce. Just got some bananas, and then I also just got some milk. Hello! It is Memorial Day Monday.
Happy Memorial Day, everyone.
I didn't vlog the past 2 days because I forgot and my battery died. Let's just talk about what we did yesterday.
Thank you.
So yesterday we bought all the furniture, not all, but we pretty much bought most of the furniture for the main rooms of our new house. And
very exciting.
Yeah, I was super excited. We pretty much, everything's custom. So I got to choose, finalize all the fabrics and things like that, colors. So it's gonna be a very bright and airy house.
Yes, a lot of light, a lot of good furniture.
So anyway, we're on the way now because now someone needs to go car shopping. So we're just gonna try to look around since it's Memorial Weekend and they have usually some good sales. But yeah, it's not like the warmest day in California. It completely rained yesterday. We're very, very spoiled here. Everyone's like going to the beach in their sweaters. Everyone just wants to go to the beach, but they'll be bringing their blankets and sweaters.
Oh
We're gonna go have some.
Today's my mom's birthday.
Meet her later because she's visiting in town. We will have dinner, but we'll bring you along as much as we can. This week we're packing also.
It's not gonna be fun.
We packed a lot when we moved everything into storage. So it's like whatever's left over is like our clothes. I feel like we're gonna throw a lot of stuff away, so anyway, see you soon. Hello. So it is Tuesday, day after Memorial Day. I think it's the 28th. Right now I am just packing up. You can see some of the stuff. This was all of our staging stuff that we had the stager put in our house when we were selling it. So they're gonna come pick that up tomorrow. I started on my office, which is all the way upstairs. So I figured we start from top down. So that's what we're doing. I just wanted to kind of get all the stager stuff kind of set aside, so I don't have to worry about it when they come tomorrow. Jamie is out picking up his car and he is on the way back, but he's stopping to get some boxes because we need all the boxes we can get. In the meantime, I have one Amazon box. All right, completely forgot to show you guys my packing skills, because why wouldn't you want to see that? Anyway, I'm still waiting for Jamie to get back with some boxes. I think that Amazon box I was trying to use is a little too wide. I don't know. But anyway, I just found some paper, so I'm just kind of making a barrier for all the glass and stuff like that. It's crazy. You've lost it. Oh baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. It's none of your business. I'll run, run, run. When did you quit being fun, fun, fun? Should have known better. I'm done, done, done. Nothing can faster than all of disaster. Oh, baby, stop calling. Okay, cool. Today is Thursday, May 30. There's Jamie.
We're done.
Wanted to show you.
We gotta get that plant though.
We're packed up. Place is empty.
Yeah, I can't believe it. It's crazy.
And we're going to the storage unit. Some of our stuff. And this is my office. This was where I started my YouTube. I'm sad.
Don't be sad.
Feel sad about it.
Aw, don't be sad. Let me come up to you.
It's empty now.
Yeah, this is empty.
So we need to find a new place to film. We're almost leaving. That's it.
Yeah, this is where it all started. This is where you were like, you know?
This is where I had a lot of problems with lighting.
I know.
And then I figured it out. And then I had to move stuff around.
Yeah, you had to.
And then it got better. And it got better. And that thing was forever annoying. And there was nothing I could do about it. And I never understood what it was for and how it served us any purpose.
On to our next adventure.
Yeah, I think I'll feel better when we get there.
Yeah, you will.
But anyway, we are almost done. They're almost done. They're in our bedroom packing everything up.
Yep.
So, yeah, time to go. We'll show you a little sneak peek.
Oh, the next place, yeah.
Yeah, it's so empty, it's so echoey, but I'll show you a little bit. All right, we're off to our storage unit now.
Off.
We're gonna go pick up the rest of our stuff. If you guys saw my vlog, I think I posted it, but anyway, we had to like move all our storage or our stuff into storage when we were like first listing the place to just get all the clutter out. So now we're just gonna go pick that stuff up. And after that, we'll be off to our new place.
Can't wait. Exciting times.
Wait. Too bad we can't like move in right away. It's not quite ready. Just because it's a completely brand new house built this year in 2019, and there's a lot more rules and regulations with brand new houses, but I mean, I'd rather that. I'm really happy that it's a brand new house, yes, and that we're the first ones that get to live in this house. And we're really like grateful that we found a house that's like that. So it's okay that it's a little bit delayed. All right, so we're in the new house. Movers are here moving stuff in. And then obviously I'm not gonna show you the whole house. I'm not really sure how I feel about that, if I'm ever going to, but obviously like the places that we'll spend most time in, like the kitchen, and the living room, and maybe even the master bedroom, we'll show you. So we'll show you little bits. It's super bare, it's super messy, there's really nothing here, so yeah, let's go. Here's our kitchen. I love our kitchen so much. I love the stone. It's our whole backsplash, their stove, and most of all, I love the brass hardware that we have all throughout. This one, not sure what it's gonna be yet. Maybe like some type of bar. So just turn the lights on. So this is the kitchen. Prep station, and then the main sink right there. All right, so this is our family room. This is where we'll be spending most of our time, the casual living room, and this is our old gross couch, but we just need something for now because our furniture doesn't get in for another month. We can see the TV, it'll be set up there, and then from the kitchen, I could just be cooking, eating, watching TV, and we'll have that connection here. So that's a nice open floor plan. Hey peeps.
Hey peeps, what's going on?
You just copied me.
Well,
okay.
What's up everybody?
Okay, it's Saturday. It is June 1st. June is a month I love.
Yes, and why do you love it?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
In June. Anyway, just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. I feel like, I don't know what this vlog looks like. I feel like it's kind of spotty, just like on and off random incomplete days and things like that, but that's literally how our last couple weeks have been. So sorry in advance if it was just kind of all over the place. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the weekend. Completely forgetting to vlog that day. I think I showed you guys like a little bit. Anyway, so just wanted to say bye, put an end to this vlog, and then we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.